We got an Ethan. And
Hi.
Abby. Oh, do you have push to talk turned on or something?
No.
Oh. Alright, well, anyways. Moogle just said, hey, Alex Sakos. Anyways.
So they did. Oh.
Okay, what we have is 2 alarms, so I'm not showing them. Wait, what? What happened?
Google sent a video.
Oh, jeez. Watch it now, do I? If it's not... I know what it is already.
Oh, gosh.
Make sure your volume's turned down this time.
Noted.
Fun fact, he played, wait. It's a Police Manual related video. How could I not play that? It's, okay. This is, I gotta figure out which one is the one I want to open first. Is it this one? I'm gonna figure it out. Oops, I moved my tripod. Is it this one? Oh, dang. No, this is not the one I want. I'll get to that one next. Okay, so this is the one I want to do right here. Camera on. Abby, no. No spoiling.
Apparently you have very unstable internet.
It's weird. I'll let you know. Okay, here we go. Okay, so this right here is a first floor SA511. You can't really see it that well. What I'm curious on is if this has the 2nd generation logo, because that's what I ordered this for. Unfortunately, the eBay listing did not show it, so we're gonna see if this has a 2nd generation logo. Oh, you just rotate this. Does it? Wait! Does it? No, I don't think so. No, that's the newer one, I think. I think I guessed incorrectly. If it's the newer one, it's fine. Okay.
Can I see it?
My camera's on. I don't know why. Does it still show unstable internet?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is probably a newer one. Yep, it is. Well, I have another one of these now. Base is really stiff on this one. Okay, let's see what the manufacturing date is. See, we've seen these before. They have the high-pitched buzzers. Oh, that was 2022, June 29th. Yeah, this is the 3rd gen style look to them. For whatever reason, there are no 2nd gen SA511s on eBay at this current moment. It only came with 1 battery, but that's fine because it got 1 battery from something else. And of course, since this is a police manual alarm, let's look at the
Oh boy.
Where did the rubber band go? There's a dust cover. Police manual. Okay, I read it. That's it. No, I'm just kidding. We still have another police manual. This one's brand new.
This is the 2nd one.
This is an SCO500. But you want to know the twist? New logo. It's new logo edition. Yeah, SCO500B.
Nice.
So now I have the 3 latest generations. I just what?
James?
What?
I kid you not. Oh my god.
Okay, with context, his computer just crashed.
That's nice.
Okay, since this one's brand new, it came with the manuals, it came with the anchors and screws. It came with both batteries. Alright, and here we go, the actual one itself. Let's see what the manufacturing date is on this one. June. One day off of Aisha's birthday. 2023, June 14th. I almost just said 2020. Like, no 3 or anything.
2020, a full 3 years back.
Yeah, but this is definitely not 2020 edition because this has a brand new logo. And if you guys didn't know, I got a, oh shoot, it's tucked away well. I have
An oh shoot?
Yes, I did, Ethan. I got an oh shoot. It's the best thing ever. I mean, it's a lot better than the... Anyways, these batteries are cold, probably because they were outside for like an hour. At least that's when they were delivered. Yeah. This is your second... Yeah, this is your newest... Close the battery door on this. There we go. Once I do it once, it's... There you go. Beautiful.
Well, I guess I can't use Discord on my computer for a while.
Alright. That's... Well, anyway, that is 2 more Please See manuals to add to my collection. I have to look out for a second generation SA511 still. I tried, but it didn't work. I kind of guessed incorrectly. So, eventually I get a SA511. Once I get that, I have to get the 1-link versions. And then I'm done collecting Please See manuals. And I have an SC510 BV on the way with the new, not the new logo, the second generation logo. And hopefully by then, I'll have all my Please See manuals. At least the majority of them anyway.
So many of them.
I have 12, and now I have... If I don't include the... I have 13 male Please See manuals. Because the SC510 BVA, which is Canadian, has the female voice.
I dare you to interconnect them all.